everybody, I'm Michelle.
Matt.
I'm gonna make some easy banana bread today. Dairy-free banana bread today. We're gonna start with 2 eggs. We already cracked them open. Can you mix them up? Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make some sour milk. Now, we're gonna use some dairy-free, unsweetened vanilla almond today. We're gonna take some white vinegar. We're gonna add it to a 1/2 cup of our almond milk. 1 teaspoon to 1/2 cup. Give it a little mix. We're gonna add that
Keep on mixing.
sour milk to the eggs. And we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Sugar first, 1.5 cups. We're gonna do a little pinch of salt. Pinch. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we're gonna add 3 cups of flour. In the meantime, I'm gonna take 3 bananas. I'm gonna smash them up. You almost want them to be like liquid form.
I'm ready.
So I have here 1/2 cup of butter, dairy-free. We use plant-based butter. This is Country Crock. All right, smush it.
Yeah, I think they're kind of pretty much smashed in there.
All right, and now we are going to take all of that. Yes,
That smells good.
banana. You see, it was just kind of mushed and smooshed.
A little bit of a workout.
While he's working out, I am going to take my bread pans, put some butter flavored Crisco, and I'm going to go and I'm going to line my pan. Right? You can see, coat it all. You're going to get them sides really good. You want to get the bottom really good. Why? Because you don't want your bread to stick. I'm also going to take a couple tablespoons. Oop, that might have been. Yeah, it's probably 2 tablespoons in each pan. Shake it up. Just shake the edges. Give it a hard hit. And you can see, that's it. They're coated. Pan, pan. Both coated. This is a family, super secret family recipe. But those pans, these pans, guys, they belonged to my great grandmother. She used to bake bread. They were so good. This is my ladle. I love it. Ladle on in.
1 scoop each, or just
Yeah.
as much as I want to do?
Try to do it as evenly as possible. I try and go, you get a scoop, you get a scoop. So I'm basically just gonna take this, I'm gonna even it out. So here, this is what it looks like. You got 2 loaves of banana bread. It's all even. Our preheated oven, 325. Set them in a middle rack, and they're gonna now bake for 1 hour.
Cool.
See you then. Hi guys. All right, ready? Time for banana bread.
How long has it been?
1 hour. Thing just beeped. Beep. Oh. I don't even have to check it. You know why? Look at it. Oh, it's split on the top. Golden brown.
That looks good.
Here we go. This is all we do. This is all I do. I take it, I flop it, and I flop it over. Take it, flop it out of the pan, and roll it over. Isn't that beautiful?
That smells good.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go, guys. Nice.
Off what?
I just made 2 loaves yesterday. They're gone.
Doesn't last. Not in this house.
That's right. Easy, dairy-free, banana bread, yum.
Like and subscribe down below. Look below in the comments or description.
We'll put the recipe down there for you guys so you can make it. Thanks, guys. See you next time.